planet will get too hot. The trees will all fall down.
If we don't save the rainforest, what will happen?
Birds can't fly home. We won't be able to breathe.
Expanding urban areas, improved transportation, and development are threatening the world's precious natural resources.
Plants that cure people will all disappear. The animals will not have a home.
Farmers, hunters, developers, gold miners, and tourists are flocking to once isolated lands, and the majestic rainforests are being cut down.
The trees will all fall down. Will I become extinct?
Illegal logging, poaching, and poorly planned development are endangering the forests. You can make a difference today and give Adopt an Acre as a gift. It's perfect for anyone and any occasion. Your gift will be enjoyed throughout the year and will help the Conservancy protect and restore what remains of one of the world's most extraordinary, yet highly threatened rainforests. So if we don't save the rainforest, what will happen? We promise our children the world. Let's show them we mean it. Adopt an acre of the rainforest and keep your promise.